Wayne
done with
County in
this.
central West Virginia, northern Wayne County in western West Virginia, until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Durban, or near Cannonsburg, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Huntington, Wayne, Chesapeake, Beachport State Park, Cannonsburg, Barboursville, Kenova, Gladysburg, Cerrito, Durban, Centerville, Bernal, Princess, South Point, Burlington, Lockwood, Lafayette, Buchanan, Salt Rock, and Pea Ridge. This includes the following highways: Interstate 64 in Kentucky between mile markers 183 and 191. Interstate 64 in West Virginia between mile markers 1 and 22. Report severe weather to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800-401-9535 when you can do so safely. You may also post your reports to Trolls in West Virginia Facebook page or by using the Twitter hashtag
The National Weather Service in West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm
This is NOAA Weather Radio. All hazard stations in northeastern Kentucky, north central West Virginia,
northeastern Kentucky, central Cabell County, and central West Virginia, northern Wayne County, and western West Virginia, until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Durban, or near Cannonsburg, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Huntington, Wayne, Chesapeake, Beachport State Park, Cannonsburg, Barboursville, Kenova, Gladysburg, Cerrito, Durban, Centerville, Bernal, Princess, South Point, Burlington, Lockwood, Lafayette, Buchanan, Salt Rock, and Pea Ridge. This includes the following highways: Interstate 64 in Kentucky between mile markers 183 and 191. Interstate 64 in West Virginia between mile markers 1 and 22.
Back on CST you go. It's too late for this junk.